The evolutionary secret: why deep sleep rewired human intelligence and cognitive growth. We bypass the primal survival instinct to unlock trading physical vigilance for a vulnerable, high-stakes cognitive overhaul. We analyze how ancestral shifts toward shorter, more intense REM cycles triggered a massive expansion in our prefrontal cortex, transforming the human mind into an unparalleled engine for complex problem-solving and abstract reasoning. The evolutionary paradox: every night you enter a state of total vulnerability that should have gotten our ancestors killed. Why did evolution trade our survival instincts for deep, intense sleep? This dangerous gamble rewired the human brain, shrinking our sleep cycles to supercharge the prefrontal cortex and unlock the abstract reasoning we use today. The biological software update: your brain isn't just resting, it's performing a high-stakes cognitive overhaul that separates us from every other predator. By bypassing primal vigilance, our ancestors triggered a massive expansion in neuroplasticity and complex problems. Discover how this shift towards shorter, more intense REM cycles turned the human mind into a global superpower. The vulnerability secret: what if the most dangerous thing our ancestors ever did was go to sleep? Humans traded physical safety for a secret cognitive advantage that expanded our intelligence. We're rediving into the evolutionary trade-off that sacrificed our defense mechanisms to build the most advanced engine for intelligence on Earth. The dangerous trade-off of the primal mind. Contrast the light, vigilant sleep of great apes with a uniquely deep and vulnerable state of human rest. Explain the evolutionary risk of abandoning physical awareness in a predator-filled environment to prioritize internal recovery. Transition from the physical vulnerability of our ancestors to the specific neurological architecture that required the sacrifice. The REM revolution and the prefrontal expansion. Detail the shift from long, inefficient sleep cycles to the short, high-intensity REM bursts unique to the Homo genus. Connect the surge in dream state activity to the rapid, physical growth of the prefrontal cortex over the last 2 million years. Transition by showing how this newly expanded brain capacity moved beyond basic survival into the realm of advanced processing. The cognitive overhaul in Europe. Analyze how deep sleep acts as a high-stakes maintenance window for clearing metabolic waste and strengthening synaptic connections. Discuss the concept of sleep as an active engine for neuroplasticity rather than a passive state of rest. Transition from the internal mechanics of the brain to how this refined intelligence manifested in the external world. Abstract reasoning as an evolutionary survival strategy. Explore how intensified REM cycles allowed the brain to simulate complex scenarios and practice problem-solving while unconscious. Link the development of language and symbolic thought to the brain's ability to reorganize data during deep sleep stages. Transition by examining how this ancient biological breakthrough remains the critical bottleneck for modern human performance. The future of intelligence in a sleep-deprived world. Evaluate how current 2026 lifestyle demands and synthetic environments are disrupting the very process that created our intelligence. Highlight the modern cognitive decline associated with thinning sleep cycles and the loss of our creative competitive edge. Conclude with a call to prioritize the deep sleep state as the primary tool for continued human evolution and mental resilience.